Hello, today we are going to learn more detail how to create a graphic design illustration for flat design. We are going to learn the clipping mask tool. Clipping mask. This one. Okay. So, in the previous tutorial we created the graphic design for this dress, okay? In order to make more precise, we want to reproduce exactly also in the border of the dress. So, I zoom a little and I create more of this. So, copy and paste, Command C, Command V. So, don't worry if you go outside the border, because this is exactly what we need to do. I created more. Okay, I want more here. Maybe this, I rotated. Yeah. We want to create also some lines here. Okay. And I use this tool to copy the color. I created more lines, so I duplicate it. More lines here. Okay. Then I select everything. Object, arrange, send to back. Okay. Then here I want to continue these lines, so I use the white arrow to move the points outside the dress. Okay, then I created more lines, so I copy and paste this drawing. I copy and paste also this part. Okay, I select these lines. Object, arrange, send to back. Okay, now I click here in the bottom, fit on screen. Okay, you need to have all your layers locked apart from graphic design. Then you need to select everything, so file, okay, to select everything you just use the black arrow and then you create a rectangle selecting everything. Then you create object, group. We create one group of everything. Now I need to unlock the flat design layer and I copy and paste the whole dress. So Command C, Command V. I keep this here. Then I want to move this, okay, using this red square in the layer, and I move this to the layer graphic design. Then I lock the flat design layer and then I move this on the top. Don't worry if you're hiding for the moment all the graphical part. This is exactly what you want. Then we need to add, so clipping mask is just to create like a mask, so a little hole where you can see through your drawing. Okay, so we need to have the top, on the top the silhouette of the dress, in the bottom the graphical part grouped. Then we need to click and keep press the shift button, shift, okay, we click and select the dress and the graphical part, and then object, clipping mask, make. You see, I created this mask, so exactly the graphical part is cutted with the silhouette of the drawing, making this more realistic and more precise. Okay. And you can do with any kind of graphical